Audiominutes.
Audiominutes from modern.gov is a cost-effective audio recording system to increase openness, transparency and accessibility to public meetings and gives local authorities an official security-stamped version of events. Audiominutes runs on a dedicated Android tablet. We'll advise you on which model works best. This device shouldn't be shared across other activities. A connection to a public address or microphone system is required to give the best results. Audiominutes also needs to connect to the internet, so a standard Wi-Fi connection, alternatively a 3 or 4G mobile internet connection will be necessary. The Audiominutes app can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. Once the correct credentials have been entered and the back button has been pressed, the login successful message is displayed and audio webcasting is ready to go. Adding Audiominutes to the modern.gov system is a simple matter too. By selecting Configure, Advanced, System Parameters and adding the correct credentials provided to the Audiominutes ID field, that side of the system is ready to go too. A few minutes before the meeting starts, run the Audiominutes app on a fully charged tablet and check the Wi-Fi or 3G connection. Meetings and agenda items will already have been added to the modern.gov system in advance of the meeting date. Audiominutes imports this data each night, but if any late changes have been made, the database can be refreshed using this button. At this point, we'll split the screens between what the officer sees on the left and what the public see on the right. Now, as a meeting is selected from the list, the public view changes to reflect that a meeting is about to start. Once Record is pressed to start the recording process, and assuming public broadcasting has been enabled on the app, the player unfolds within the modern.gov agenda page, as you can see. Members of the public simply navigate directly to the modern.gov page for the meeting they are interested in, where they will find the live stream or later the archived recording of that meeting. The officer tags each agenda item as it's reached. If one is missed or slightly out of sync, then it doesn't matter, as this can be changed later. As each tag is checked, the player moves neatly through the agenda pages so the public can keep up with proceedings and open any supporting documents they're interested in. Sometimes items are covered out of sequence, in which case the tags themselves can be selected out of sequence too. When selecting items for playback from the archive, members of the public can use the pull-down menu to find their item, or simply click on the small blue play button which appears next to each agenda item when a recording is available. Optionally, Audiominutes can send out a tweet via your Twitter account either just at the start and end of the meeting or when each agenda item is covered. Audiominutes includes a mute button, which is used when a meeting is merely suspended and not concluded. Bringing the meeting to a close is simply a matter of pressing the stop button. The officer then confirms this, and then the stream is stopped and the local copy of the recording is saved to disk. Audiominutes calculates a digital checksum from each saved file, which is then tweeted via our own account. This provides a means to prove that the file has never been edited. The meeting can then be published either via the app itself or by logging into the Audiominutes portal, which also gives you access to a number of other useful tools, tag editing, unpublishing, and gives access to hidden links, allowing you to download or share meetings which have not been published. Comprehensive analytics are available, showing the number of listeners tuning in to both live and recorded meetings. Audiominutes is available as an add-on module to a modern.gov agreement, simplifying the procurement process. We hope you'll agree that Audiominutes represents the best compromise between the need for openness and transparency and the desire to save money. We look forward to adding your authority to the growing list of Audiominutes customers in the very near future.